Hello and welcome. In this video, we're going to explain how to watch recordings offline on YouTube TV. This feature allows you to download certain content to your mobile device and watch it later without an internet connection. Let's find out how to do it. To watch recordings offline on YouTube TV, you must first have the 4K Plus add-on subscription. The ability to download content for offline viewing is one of the features included with the 4K Plus add-on. If you do not have the 4K Plus add-on, you will not be able to download recordings. Assuming you have the 4K Plus add-on, you can download eligible recordings to your mobile device, which means your smartphone or tablet. Open the YouTube TV app on your mobile device. Make sure you are connected to the internet when you want to download. Navigate to your library. In your library, find the show or movie that you have recorded that you want to download for offline viewing. Select the title. On the details page for the recording, if the content is eligible for offline download, you will see a download icon. This icon often looks like a downward pointing arrow with a line beneath it. Tap on the download icon. The app will then begin downloading the recording to your mobile device. You can typically monitor the download progress within the app, often in the library or a dedicated download section. Once the download is complete, the download icon might change or be replaced by a different icon indicating it is downloaded. To watch the downloaded recording offline, simply open the YouTube TV app on your mobile device when you are not connected to the internet. Navigate to your library. You should see a section or filter specifically for downloads or offline recordings. Select this section. Here, you will find all the content you have downloaded. Tap on a downloaded recording to start watching it without using any data. Note that not all content on YouTube TV is available for offline download, even with the 4K Plus add-on. Availability can vary by content and licensing agreements. Downloaded recordings are typically available for a limited time before they expire and need to be re-downloaded. We hope this video helped you understand how to watch recordings offline on YouTube TV. If you found this tutorial useful, please give the video a like and consider subscribing to our channel for more helpful tips and guides.